right-hand side. Circling off the air bridge. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team for 2004. Please put your hands together for the Red Arrows. With the ground. Beautiful day here today. Straight ahead, she's warming up. The smoke comes on. The formation changes to Delta. The formation first used by the 1965 display scene. The smoke comes off. We have red 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Flying line of rest in the front. Followed by 6, 8 and 9. Then red 7 is forming the letter D, Delta. So from the right-hand side, the Anglo Bank increases, the G increases, the smoke comes on for the Delta band. Delivery of first aircraft in December last year. From the right-hand side, the smoke comes on, and then team pull up, and then Typhoon roll. And the team are called into Feathered Arrow. Reds 8 and 9 roll back using red smoke into the formation for the Feathered Arrow quarter clover.
One in the Spitfire. Just listen to that sound.
As the Spitfire runs in fast from the left with a victory roll in none to the right, you can see following in behind it the Airshow Lancaster. Operations were flown, many against targets away from the invasion area, in a massive deception to convince the Germans, the RAF, were really softening up the area around the part of Calais rather than Normandy. Now when the Lancaster comes back this time, you'll see the bomb doors are open, showing you the amazing bomb load capacity that it had. Normal bomb load of the Lancaster was 95 bombers raided Nuremberg. 95 of them were lost over Belgium and Germany. Many more crashed on their return. In the war, dropped more than 608,000 tons of bombs. 3,349 of them were lost on ops. It was an aircraft designed by engineers and built by craftsmen and women for heroes to fly, said Sir George Edwards. The Airshow Lancaster. Formation. No hurricane today, was damaged last week at Duxford, sad to say, but it will recover. Imagine all those hundreds of thousands of paratroops waiting to jump out over the D-Day dropping zones. Using 7 Squadron, Pegasus Squadron, you can see the Pegasus crest on the nose, AI on the fuselage. The 267 flew transport, trooping and resupply actually in the Middle East and the Mediterranean in 1944. Also delivered supplies to partisans and resistance fighters by parachute dropping, or even by landing in clandestine strips behind enemy lines.